Yao Yu BML 787 N600 cylinder bed interlock sewing machine with auto trimmer and left-hand side fabric cutter. The improved arc streamlined outer cover with bottom hemming guider left fabric cutter device. It can easily roll down the annular cutting fabric and sew it. At the same time, when the cutter cut the clothes, the waste will be sucked by the patented copper pipe suction device. The patented needle plate blowing device, designed to sew soft stretch fabric. First flatten the fabric and then cut it to ensure that the fabric is trimmed and the sewing effect is better. The unique bottom thread passing mechanism avoids the influence of thread head on thread cutting mechanism. Suitable for all kinds of knitwear, t-shirts bottom hemming.